Hi everyone. Wanted to take a few seconds to just make sure we're all on the same page in terms of how to navigate this course. So when you bookmark this course, you should bookmark it to our homepage. And this page changes about once a week, and you'll see a new video from me explaining what we're going to be doing with the new unit. And it's just a chance for us to interact in a way face to face. Then from there, you should always click on modules. And so the module view is basically your table of contents for the new unit. And as you can see, each unit goes in is in order from most recent to least recent. And so that's a good way to get your bearings from the module view. And then if you're looking at the module view, you'll notice that every page in module view needs to be read, so they're all there for a purpose. And then anything that is reflecting a due date. So for example, for this reflection, I can see here that it is due Wednesday, February 14th. And then the scheduling a second group Zoom session, that is Thursday, February 15th. So this can also help you navigate when things are supposed to be done in a very, very easy and linear way. So want to make sure we're all clear on that. Always rely on module view to make sure that you are getting everything out of the course that we were hoping that you were seeing. That's it for now. Thank you.